northwestern Mississippi. Marshall County, northwestern Mississippi. Southeastern Dade County, northwestern Mississippi. Northeastern Pinella County, northwestern Mississippi. Until 4:45.
Our number one priority, if we do have someone that is stranded or someone that is trapped, we're trying to clear each street, each county road, each highway, going door to door to make sure we can eliminate all the possibilities there's still someone that needs help.
And I laid down on the flat ground, and here comes a tornado to roll right over me. Uprooting trees, cutting trees in half, and I don't know why I'm still standing here talking to you.